How to get a free custom domain for your CPA grade content lockers. This is XB Marketing with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this type of landing pages, how to have a custom domain for them for absolutely free. Alright, I know most of us have come to pages where you see stuff like this, like it says unsecured connection, right? As you can see here, it will have this warning sign. So usually once users come to this type of page, they get skeptical, and most of the time they just click out of that page. But you want to send them to a page that has this, that has this secured connection, so that once they get to this page, they feel more comfortable to engage with the page. All right, so without me wasting more time, let's jump into the video. All right, so what you want to do first is go to github.com. all right, so once you go to github.com, you want to create an account with them, and you click on sign up. So once the page opens, then you want to input your email. You can use any email. You can use Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or you can use Proton email, right? You can go to protonmail.com. all right, once you go to protonmail.com, you'll be able. The reason I like using Proton Mail is because you can create multiple accounts without having to do phone verification and all that. All right, so but let's not wait any time. You can just go ahead and use your Gmail. So let me use So once you go to protonmail.com, this is what it's going to show you. Then you click on this sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button, then you want to scroll down to this free and click on select free plan. So let's create an account. All right, so let's put our password. Okay, someone has taken this account. So let's use 101. All right. So now it's going to ask you for a recovery email. So all you can do is just input your normal Gmail account. All right. Like I said, you can use your Gmail directly. But because on GitHub, you can only create one custom domain per account. So if you want to create multiple accounts for multiple landing pages, then you want to have multiple GitHub accounts. So to be able to create that, it's easier when you use Proton Mail, because Proton Mail don't usually ask for phone verification, unlike Google. Because you want to create multiple Gmail accounts, then you have to keep using different phone numbers to verify the account. But with Proton Mail, you can just create accounts as easy as possible. All right, so let's just input our Gmail account here. All right, so once you input your email, it's going to bring you to this page. Then you want to select the free plan again. And then you click on get verification code. So then you want to go to your Gmail to check your verification code. Then you click verify. All right, now you have a Proton Mail account. As you can see, we didn't do any phone number verification. It was just simple. All right, and this for those who want to create multiple landing pages. But if you want to use just one landing page, then you should just go ahead and use your normal Gmail. Okay, and click on start using ProtonMail. Then now we go to github.com and then want to input the new email we created on ProtonMail, which is sample account 101 at protonmail.com. Then put your password and continue, and then choose a username. So when you get to this part, it's very important that whatever landing page you are promoting, you want to make sure you give it a similar name to what the landing page is about. So for example, this is a Cash App content locker, which when the user gets here, they try to get Cash App for free. All right, so as you can see, like I used here, I used cashappmoney.github.io. all right, so since it's a Cash App account, then you want to give it a similar name to the landing page. So let's say for this example, we're going to use Cash App, and let's see, as you can see, it says it's now available. Let's say Cash App 101. All right, that is available. All right, so you want to make the name look similar to what the page is about. All right, for this part, you want to type N and click on continue, and then you click on start puzzle. So it says pick the spiral galaxy. So you click on this, click on this. All right, so your verification might be different, but for this is how you do it. If it shows you this one, this is how you do it. Then you click on create account. Now it has sent the code to the Proton mail. So now let's refresh this page. As you can see, this is our Proton mail. So it's okay. Oh. All right, so you can just skip this part. All right, so now we are in the brand new GitHub account. So the next thing you want to do is click on create repository. Right, as you can see, now you are going to put in the same name you want to have the page, which is going to be Cash App, just like our username, but now we are going to add .github.io. Alright, you want to make sure after including the same username, then you must include .github.io. So once you've done that, then you click on create repository, and then you want to click on upload an existing file. Alright, and before you do that, you want to make sure you already have this landing page on your device. Alright, and don't worry, I'm going to share a lot of landing pages on this channel. So just, if you are finding value in this video, just subscribe to the channel and like the video. I'm going to provide you a lot of landing pages that you can use for absolutely free. Alright, so I have this landing page on my device already. So I'm just going to locate where it is on my device. So this is the folder of the landing page. So you click on it and open it, and then click on this Cash App, this one that has this Chrome icon in the folder. You click on it, and then you want to copy all this. You want to drag and drop it. So once you copy, highlight that, then you want to exclude this folder. So just drag everything aside from the folder, aside from this folder, right? So as you can see, it's uploading all those files. All right, so now we are going to do the same thing for this second folder. We click on it and open it, and then we copy everything inside this folder as well. We highlight it and we drop it in here. So it's going to do the same process. It's going to upload it. All right, it's uploading and it's done. So once that is completed, click on commit changes. All right, so the next thing you want to do now is you click on settings, and then you scroll down till you see these GitHub pages, and then you click on check it out here, and then you want to click on this source, this branch main. Make sure it's selected as main, and then this root, make sure it's selected as root. All right, so once that is ready, now as you can see, it says your site is published at cacheapp101.github.io. so if you click on that, boom, as you can see, now we've uploaded our landing page on github.io server for absolutely free. All right, and you can send traffic to this page, and it has secure connection. Most people will trust this page because it has, as you can see, the link is short and memorable. So once you just tell people cacheapp101.github.io, this is where they are going to come to, and you can start promoting this link instead of promoting the generic CPA link that is going to show this unsecure connection, and then people will be nervous about staying on that kind of page. But once the page has this secure connection, most people, not even most people, a lot of people will feel comfortable doing anything on that page because they trust that the page is secure. All right, and that is that for this video. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, there are a lot of other valuable videos on the channel. Just look around the channel, you'll find other videos that will help you on your journey to make money online. And having said that, if you find any value at all in this video, please subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. More content coming up soon. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.